Here is a question. Let's draw the Venn diagram. Some beds are mats. Some beds are mats. Next statement is no mat is blanket. Mat circle and blanket circle are not related. Next, no pillow is bed. Pillow circle and bed circle and pillow circle are not related. We are done with drawing Venn diagram. Let's move on to conclusions. First conclusion is all beds can never be blankets. This is very important conclusion because it contains can never be. Basically it is saying all beds being blankets is not possible. Because it is saying not possible, let's see whether it is possible or not by drawing Venn diagram. We will draw Venn diagram by keeping beds inside bed circle inside blanket circle. I am drawing the Venn diagram. I have drawn Venn diagram. As per the conclusion, all beds can never be blankets. I have drawn Venn diagram keeping all beds as a blankets. Let's see whether it is following statements or not. If it is following statements, then this conclusion is wrong. If it is not following statements, then this conclusion is correct. First statement is some beds are mats. Yes, some beds are mats. No mat is blanket. But here you can see these are all mats. These are also blankets. It is violating second statement. Without violating statements, I cannot keep a bed circle inside blanket circle. So all beds can never be blankets. This is correct. And the second conclusion, some pillows are mats. This is a definite conclusion. To prove this conclusion is wrong, we need to prove no pillow is mat. Here you can see in this Venn diagram, these are all pillows and these are all mats. In this Venn diagram, no pillow is mat. Because we could prove no pillow is mat, saying some pillows are mats is wrong. Next conclusion, no blanket is bed. This is a definite conclusion. To prove this conclusion is wrong, we need to prove some blankets are beds. To prove some blankets are beds, we need to make blanket circle and bed circle intersect. Let's draw Venn diagram. Okay, I have drawn Venn diagram by intersecting blanket circle and bed circle. Let's see whether it is following statements or not. Some beds are mats. Yes, some beds are mats. No mat is blanket. No mat is blanket. And no pillow is bed. No pillow is bed. We are following statements, and by following statements I could prove that some blankets are beds. Because I could prove some blankets are beds, saying no blanket is bed is wrong. Next conclusion is no pillow is a mat. This is again definite conclusion. To prove this conclusion is wrong, we need to prove some pillows are mats. Let's draw the Venn diagram by making pillow circle and mat circle intersecting. Okay, I have drawn Venn diagram by making mat circle and pillow circle intersecting. Let's see whether it is following statements or not. Some beds are mats. Yes, some beds are mats. No mat is blanket. No mat is blanket. No pillow is bed. No pillow is bed. So by following statements, I could prove that some pillows are mats. Saying no pillow is mat is wrong. Next question. Let's draw the Venn diagram first. All fans are bulbs. All fans are bulbs. All bulbs are lights. all bulbs are lights. No light is a switch. Light circle and switch circle are separated. We are done with the drawing Venn diagram. Let's move on to conclusions. First conclusion is no fan is a switch. This is a definite conclusion. To prove this conclusion is wrong, we need to prove some fans are switches. Some fans are switches means fan circle and switch circle we need to intersect. Let's draw Venn diagram. I have drawn Venn diagram intersecting fan circle and switch circle. Let's see whether we are following statements or not. All fans are bulbs. Yes, all fans are bulbs. All bulbs are lights. All bulbs are lights. No light is a switch. But here you can see some switches are lights. Without intersecting lights, I cannot intersect fan. Because I am not able to say some fans are switches, saying no fan is a switch is correct. Next conclusion. No bulb is a switch. This is a definite conclusion. To prove this conclusion is wrong, we need to prove some bulbs are switches. To say some bulbs are switches, we need to intersect bulb circle and switch circle. And here you can see we are already intersecting bulb circle and switch circle. But it is violating statements because it says no light is a switch, but some lights are switches. Without violating statements, I cannot intersect bulb circle and switch circle. So this conclusion is correct. Because I could not prove some bulbs are switches, saying no bulb is a switch is correct. Next conclusion. All lights are bulbs. This is a definite conclusion. To say this conclusion is wrong, we need to prove some lights are not bulbs. Here you can see these are all lights which are not bulbs. This Venn diagram is already following statements, and by following statements we could prove that some lights are not bulbs. Saying all lights are bulbs is wrong. Next conclusion. All fans are lights. This is a definite conclusion. To prove this conclusion is wrong, we need to prove some fans are not lights. But I cannot prove some fans are not lights because the fan circle always should inside bulb circle. Bulb circle will always be inside light circle. So all fans are lights is correct. We cannot move this fan outside of light circle. Next question. Let's draw the Venn diagram first. I will start with the statement all. All rivers are oceans. Rivers circle should be inside. Ocean circle should be outside. And some lakes are rivers. Some lakes are rivers. We are done with the drawing Venn diagram. Let's move on to conclusions. At least some lakes are oceans. At least some means it is same as some lakes are oceans. This is a definite conclusion. To prove this conclusion is wrong, we need to prove no lake is ocean. Lake circle and ocean circle we should separate, but it is not possible because it is saying some lakes are rivers. It should intersect always river circle. If it is intersecting river circle, it will also intersect ocean circle. So we cannot separate lake circle and ocean circle because I am not able to say no lake is ocean. Saying some lakes are oceans is correct. Next conclusion. At least some oceans are rivers. Here again we are seeing at least some. It is same as some. Some oceans are rivers. This is a definite conclusion. To prove this conclusion is wrong, we need to prove no ocean is river. To prove no ocean is river, we need to separate ocean circle and river circle, which is not possible because as per the statements river circle should always be inside ocean circle. Because I am not able to prove no ocean is a river, saying some oceans are rivers is correct.